Hello traders, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly create a strategy within Brokerage Plus so that you can execute trades directly from the chart. So what we're going to do here is go to the Strategies tab. We right click, New Trading Strategy. So what I always make sure I do right off the bat is assign the proper account, otherwise nothing will happen. Alright, and once we have that done, we pick our direction, long or short, in this case long, and we'll just title this Chart Long. Next tab over is our entry time, and if we want this strategy to be active all day, we'll just leave these time sliders wide open from the open until the close. No need to limit trades for this one as we will be executing from the chart in a manual perspective. Here's where we set our fixed shares or dollar amount. For this example, we'll just use 100 shares a trade. We will run market orders. Now for risk management, we'll just pick some pretty generic settings here. We'll say 2% for the stop loss and how about a 3% profit target. Now the last tab here gives you the additional option to insert a hold time, anywhere from 1 minute up to however long you'd like to hold the trade. For this example, we'll just throw a 60-minute time to hold in there. So to recap, long, don't forget to set up your account, entry time, wide open, order details, 100 shares a trade, market order, 2% stop loss, 3% profit target with a hold time of 60 minutes. That's always a good idea to enable your strategy. And then once we do that, all right, I've got CD pulled up here. Looks like it's nice and tame, might want to keep going up. If I want to buy that stock, I simply right click, trade, by using chart long. And now you can see we've just purchased 100 shares of CD. And we can see we are in the live orders tab that we have a profit target, a stop loss, and a timed hold. All right, stay tuned for more videos and thanks for watching.